We're fitting Underglow to this car.
Yo, that looks sick. Oh nah, look at that. White lights, underglow, everything looking sick.
Yo guys, what is going on today? And I know I've been gone for like, what, 3 weeks or something mad like that. I've been gone for long, I know. Before you guys have a go at me, I've been gone, I know. But today we got a mad mod, just in the title. Is looking sick, isn't it? Trust me, you're gonna think it sounds right, and it probably does, which I get. But I don't know. It's something I've always wanted to do it to a car. I wasn't even planning on doing it to this car. I just thought, I found it and I thought, you know what? Why not? I might as well do it to this car. But you guys have seen, we're fitting Underglow to this car. So what we're gonna do is, it's not gonna be tacky Underglow. We're not gonna do something stupid. We're gonna make it look clean. We're not gonna make it look like over the top. Because we're going for a full theme on the car. We want it all be matching. When it's matching, it looks fine. If you're gonna have like pink on a car that's green, okay, it's gonna look a bit rice. It's gonna look a bit stupid. We know that, yeah. But it's gonna look like it's gonna have an Underground 2 / Fast and Furious vibe to this car. But it's not gonna be over the top to the point where like it's just stupid, if you get what I mean. But yeah, we've got an Underglow kit. It's inside the house, and we've got a few other parts. I'll show you them when we get inside. I'll give you a sneak peek of the next few videos. But I got a lot lined up. I know I've been gone. I'm gonna make sure it like back to normal again. Try to do one a week. I'm gonna try to get back into it. Just I haven't had time. That's the issue. Time is the big issue. If you guys seen on Instagram, I've been out doing things. You guys have seen that stuff is in the works, but it's not what's it called? I haven't actually managed to get anything edited and out. But yeah, and again, if you guys haven't seen half the stuff on Instagram, I'll leave it. It's all down below if you want to see any of that kind of stuff. We've got like behind the scenes. If I don't upload on YouTube, if I'm not active on YouTube, I'm always active on Instagram to an extent. And if you have any issues with like fitting stuff and whatever, just let me know on there. But yeah, so let's go get into the Underglow and I'll show you guys inside. It's a decent kit, it's not too bad. And links for that will be down below as well, if you want to buy it for yourself. But yeah, let's go inside. Okay, so this is it, yeah. It's a coloured car chassis lamp. So yeah, look at that. Even got a Camaro on there. What's it called? Bumblebee. But yeah, look, I don't know why it's called that, some random shit. I'll leave a link for this down below anyway. But yeah, to get into this, got some random leaflets, cable ties, which you're going to need to keep these, and controller, which is this, and it goes to a lead where it's just 2 bare cables. Don't know if you can see that on here. But yeah, and then that can disconnect from there, so you can just plug it in whenever you want. This goes to 2 cables, and then you got the 4 Underglows here. We'll test them out when we go outside. You know what? Before we go downstairs, I thought I'd give you guys a sneak peek of that there. It's a splitter. I'm not going to show any more than that. It's on my bed. My bed's messy. Allow me. I've got a lot of stuff to do, yeah. But there's a splitter here as well, just so you guys know. That should be getting fit probably next week or something, a week after. I've also got some new brakes as well. I need to go on. I got everything, loads of stuff lined up. I've been gone for so long, but I've made sure I've still got stuff like ready, you can say, for later. So they'll all be coming on as well soon. Trust me, it's gonna be sick. Just trust me with it. Okay, so since this is like a Chinese kit here, I thought before I get the whole car up, I might as well check it in it, because if this doesn't work, what's the point getting it up, sorting it all out, then realizing, oh shit, it doesn't work. So I'm gonna test it out now, see how it looks, get it all sorted, and then we're gonna put it onto the car. On top of that, this is Bluetooth controlled, so I won't actually be able to control it right now because my phone's recording. But the plan is, when it's connected to the car, then get my radio, the Android radio, to work with the app, and then I can change the colours with the app in the car. So it's all integrated basically. But let's test fit it. Well, not even test fit it, just test it to see if it turns on. I've got the cables cut a bit more so I can actually touch the contacts. Let's see how it looks. And I've never seen a car with Underglow, put it that way. It's the first car I'm going to see with Underglow, so it's going to be sick for me. It's a 12-year-old me dream, basically. The way I used to customise my cars in Underground 2. Oh shit, wait, let's see this. Yo, that looks sick. Oh nah, look at that. And I made sure I got one that can like fade between colours in different, like, in the, I don't know how to say, directional basically. That looks sick, what the hell? Yo, you guys think it looks tacky? I get what you mean, other colours look shit, but white looks clean. Oh, this is gonna be sick. This is actually gonna be mad. I'll probably be one of the main car. I don't think I've never seen a car with Underglow. Even, and I'm in Birmingham, like everyone's done stupid shit to cars. I'm just gonna do it for the vibes on it. Why not?
Wait, this is looking sick. I can't wait to put this in the car. It's 4 strips, 1 in each part of the car. That is gonna look mad. I'm thinking of putting one possibly in my bonnet as well, like getting some more and putting them in my bonnet and my boot to show off the speakers, and then like engine and stuff, like have a nice little showcase kind of thing. I'm thinking. What do you guys think of that? Let me know. That looks sick. Okay, come, let's go, and then let's go underneath the car, sort it all out. Okay, so I just thought of something. I thought rather than putting the underglow on the actual car, because then like on the side bits, it's going to be wrong placing, because like, let's say you jack the car up from the side, it's going to crush the lights. So I thought, if I put one to the under tray, it would be easy to mount, to take the under trays off, and then put the lights onto the under trays, and put the under trays back on. I think that'll be easy to mount, so I'll try, I'm thinking I'm going to do that. So let's get the under trays off, take them inside, hook up all the lights, and then put them back on the car. That'll be a much better idea. Probably easier as well. I don't know what I'm going to do for the rear though, because the exhaust, there's no under tray for that, and the exhaust might burn it, but that probably will deal with that problem when we come to it. Okay, so the car's lowered now. I'm just going to go underneath and take off all of this under tray, this plastic piece. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lights around here, but I'm going to cable tie them in as well. So you get that off. There's one just there, if you can see it, and then one there. They're all going to come off, so let's do them now. Okay, so the first under tray is off. And that's just come off. So then got to get that side and that side. I can't be asked to record both, there's no point. You're just going to see me unscrewing basically. Just unscrew them, you'll see all the bolts, it's T25, it's simple. But yeah, I'm going to get them 2 off now. Okay, so all the under trays are off, all 3 of them. I'm going to line everything up now, get it all measured out. The lights over there, and then get it all sorted. So I'm just going to measure it up now basically. Okay, so all the marking's been done. We've got everything marked up. Just need to drill the holes. I might drill them today, might drill them tomorrow. I don't know if I can be asked to do them today, but the holes are going to get drilled. Then we're going to stick them on, whack some zip ties through them, some cable ties, cable tie to that, then put that back on, and then it should be done. So yeah, I'm just going to jump straight to drilling it whenever I do it. Okay, so I started making the holes in this. I didn't use a drill. I actually got a flat screwdriver and then just heat it up so it melts straight through all this plastic. So I'm going to repeat that for all of the under trays, 2 over there. So now I've actually got the holes done. I don't know if you can see, but they came out quite neat, you know, especially for a hot screwdriver. These ones aren't as neat because I went a bit quick for these. And that one there, and then obviously the other under tray. Now I'm just going to clean up all of this because it's all dirty in it. I'm going to use cable ties, but I'm also going to use sticky part just so it's like double reinforced. So I'm going to run, just going to clean all this can get cleaned out, just that part, and then cable ties through these holes like that, so it's like double reinforced basically, so it just can't fall off. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a wash and a scrub, get it all clean, and then wipe the lights on. LEDs are on and they're all tightened, all properly secured. Just got to put these now onto the car and then plug it all in. Okay, so the underglow is now on. I've got it all sorted. The back strip is the only one I haven't done because I'll show you in a minute. The strips are on. It's daylight so you can't see it too well, but it's been raining, so you can see kind of like the reflection in the water, which is kind of sick. Okay, yeah, so I'll show you the lights now. They are actually Bluetooth controlled, so I've got my other phone here. Open the app. Once the app's open, just turn them on. So you can see I got it on blue right now. Change to any color, obviously. But in this kind of weather, because it's bright right now, you can't see them too well. They don't, you know, they don't fill the whole like floor. At night, you'll see it glows all the way. It's not just a little bit. So let's put on you know, let's put on the blue. Looks blue or white. I'll put one. They also have dancing colors and stuff as well. So if we go into here, go into that, you can see the little like pulsing through. Change speed, change everything on this, which is quite good to be fair. But yeah, look. So I'll show you the strips underneath. Okay, so underneath you can see, I don't know if you can see it properly, all along the under tray, along there. And then along the side, we got, again, I can see it all along the under tray, like that. Same on the other side. And now the rear, I'll show you the issue with the rear one. So you know, because I've got the centre exhaust on, so most people will mount it on the actual diffuser, which I don't want to do because you can see them, and when I lower the car, it's gonna start hitting things, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to rip off. So I want to put them behind the exhaust. No, now if you put them behind the exhaust, before the pipe used to just be here. So to come out and go to the side, come here. So all of this wouldn't be hot. Now we're in the centre. So yeah, I can put one strip there, one strip there, but I've only got one strip and I can't cut it. That's the issue. I can cut and do some weird wiring, but I don't want to do that. So if you look underneath here, if you can see, but under my exhaust, both pipes are there. So there's not really much I can do to it because it's going to go behind the exhaust. So I'm going to try it, see how hot it gets and stuff, but it is going to have to sit like behind these above. So if it melts, it melts. I won't be able to help it. But the idea I thought of is changing these bulbs to colour changing ones. So I'm going to have them white obviously most of the time, but then pictures I can change it, so it's basically like a rear underglow. So I kind of sorted that out. But yeah, and then that's just how it looks basically. It looks so sick at night, you don't understand. It just looks like crazy at night. I'll get you guys some night shots in a second and some drive-bys and whatever when it turns night, obviously, so later on. Can you see it through the rotor there? Look through the alloy. That's mad. But yeah, I'll get you some night shots now then. We'll switch to night. Okay, so it's now dark and you can see the LEDs are glowing like mad. But let me show you guys. You can see all around the car. They are looking sick. Look at that. And then on top of that, I'll show you the rear, what I was saying about the underglow. The rear, I've got like the lights that give that kind of still thing to it, the little like, it's still like a white neon you can say at the back. But yeah, all sides are sorted out. And you can see that it glows nicely. It gets to the edges really well. So it looks really good. And then this side as well. Look how sick that looks, man. That looks crazy. Let's take a step back and look at it. White lights. You need to get white headlights still. But white lights, underglow, everything looking sick. Even if it changed to like, I don't know, a blue. Look how sick that looks. Even with blue looks mad. But yeah man, look at that. Looks sick. I've got all different colours. Even pink looks kind of good. I'm not gonna lie, pink looks kind of sick. But yeah, that's all the LEDs then. Can't get any drive-bys, I got no one to hold the camera for me. But I'll try to get them another day. I'll try them on Instagram or TikTok or whatever. They'll be down below, links to like Instagram, TikTok, all of that. That's the controller you guys saw earlier for it, the colour changing bits, you can change everything. And then you got obviously the auto stuff. Look how good that looks. But yeah, so I'll try to get rolling shots on like Instagram or something like that. I'll put them on there. Because no putting a full video, just wasting time and just rolling shots. Just do it Insta post. But yeah, that is it then for today for the LED underglow being installed. It's looking sick. It's sorted out now. Next one on the list is probably going to be the splitter like you guys saw. Or even I got brakes to do as well. I'll probably do my brakes first because they kind of need doing. So let me know what you guys thought of the video today. I had to, it's a bit chopping, no. Let me know what you guys thought of the video today. It came out really good. It looks, let me know if you think it's right or not. I'm not going to keep it in colour changing mode all the time though. Probably keep it on white all the time, white or blue, or maybe like a purple kind of colour. Looks kind of, yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to use pictures mainly. I'm going to try to get loads out on Instagram, so that'll all be linked. And yeah, remember to like, comment down below, subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.